So making the text bigger on the iPhone 14 or any iPhone you're using is actually very useful if you have a hard time seeing small text. And let's be honest, the text is pretty darn small to look at on iPhones. Fortunately, there's a way to make things a bit bigger and a bit more jumbo-sized, if you will. Okay, to make the text bigger, all you need to do is go into your settings and tap on the display option. From within here, you want to go all the way to the bottom where it says display, zoom, and tap this. Next, you're going to want to click on the larger text option and click done. Now, when you do this, the screen is going to sort of black out for a second while the change is happening. And boom, let's see how jumbo-sized everything is now. Okay, I can see a huge difference. Okay, it's pretty cool, right? Of course, if you don't like it being this big, you'd always go back into your settings to switch it back to the default option, but that's how you do it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tip. Thanks for watching it, and we'll see y'all in the next video.